The Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam, or AHI, was founded on the 27th day of the holy month of Ramadan in 1890 by a few community leaders. The AHI primarily was started as a home, providing food and shelter to deserving Muslim orphan boys. Today, the AHI has grown in leaps and bounds due to the efforts of numerous leaders, patrons, well-wishers and donors. Situated at a sprawling campus in T Nagar, the AHI has under its auspices 18 functional units that are professionally managed by a governing body of 43 members, headed by a president, honorary secretary and honorary treasurer. Anjuman Boys and Girls Home. The Quran says, "The best of the houses is the house where an orphan gets love and kindness." AHI provides just that. AHI Health Center. With nearly 900 residents at its homes, healthcare is of utmost importance, and the AHI has a dedicated health center that functions within the campus. A doctor, dentist and a counselor cater to the sick and needy with inpatient beds on the ground and first floor, and minor procedures are performed when needed. Anjuman Matriculation Higher Secondary School. AHI strives to transform these young minds towards Khair-e-Ummah, or the best of mankind, and through the Anjuman Matriculation Higher Secondary School, it extends free quality formal education to its resident students. Anjuman Matriculation Primary School. The primary school has smart classes and activity rooms where playway method of teaching is followed. Islamic education is imparted from the beginning, and a majority of students complete reading of the Quran by the 5th standard. Arabic and Hifz also find an important place in the curriculum for all classes. Al-Hira Model School. After a careful assessment of the Muslim community's need for an Islamic curriculum and environment, the management instituted Al-Hira in the year 2004. One of the most prestigious additions to the AHI, the Al-Hira Model School, is a state-of-the-art English medium Islamic school affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education. Vocational Training Center for Girls, VTC. Through an exclusive training center for girls, VTC imparts skills which include tailoring, embroidery, leather craft, computer desktop operations and other employable skills. Most of the programs here are also NCVT approved. AHI Academy for Women. AHI Academy plays a vital role in the empowerment of women, enabling them to build confidence to face life from an Islamic perspective. A new center for skill development trains girls with entrepreneurial skills for self-employment opportunities. A girls' hostel was recently built to provide a safe and comfortable residence for the ex-students of AHI. Islamic Information and Research Center. The IIRC aims at providing authentic, unbiased information on Islam to the Muslim community. A beautiful, partly air-conditioned masjid accommodates the ever-increasing musallis who attend congregational prayers. One of the newest introductions to the AHI, the Darul Ansar Center for Applied Learning, or CAL, believes that every child is unique and possesses latent talents. The purpose of CAL is to enable children with learning disabilities and behavioral issues to improve their academic as well as overall performance. A team of experts develop unique, innovative methods to bring out the true potential of every child.